Hey guys, hello to all my beautiful friends. I hope you're all feeling well from wherever you are. Welcome back to one more video. I'm Mary and this is Hyperpix. I'm going to show you how to work with one more of our beautiful attractive text effects, which allows you to insert your text or logo into this brilliant 80s text effect just with one click in a few seconds without any problems. If you want to download it, just go to hyperpix.net and get the VIP membership and access hundreds of different templates in all different styles. So before we get started, don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos and you'll be the first to watch them. So let's get started with editing this excellent style. So to edit the main text in the main layer, just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In this window that appears here, we have two texts here, the top and the bottom text. Just double click on each one, type your ideal text, just like this. And we do the same with the bottom one. Type my text like this. If you see we have this line here, just go to the window folder and glyphs and come down to the end. We have these lines here which you can choose any you like, whichever you think looks better. Just double click and it'll be inserted to the end of your text. So here we go, we're done here. Just check that everything's right and it's in the middle. So we click save so it's applied. As you see, it looks so beautiful. Our 3D effect is applied and it's so attractive. So we're back to this window. If you check out, we have this pattern wave here. Double click on this icon and choose the pattern, adjust it, move it around. It doesn't matter if it's left or right, up or down. It's in your hands. So try to place it like in the middle. It looks better here. But anyway, you're free to place it wherever you like. Okay. And we do the same to the top text. Place the wave here. And here we go. So click save and let's wait to see the result. As you see, you can even change the font or enlarge or minimize it. There's no limits with the font or with the language. So we have so many fonts here, we could change or choose any you want. Here we go. Just see how easy. Place our wave in the middle. Do the same with the bottom one. Bring it a little down and here we go. Let's see the results now. Click save. And as you see, our style is applied to this text as well. As easy as it seems. So we have the other layers here. We have the adjustments folder, which contains the color settings, brightness settings, and contrast settings in the first folder. You can choose any you want and just adjust it or control it. Change the colors, the parameters, and get some totally new colors and textures. So the next folder is Vignette, which is this inner shadow around the star, which you can increase the opacity or decrease it. You can change the color. You're totally free with that. There's no limits. So we have noise on and noise off, which is this noise spread all over the effect, which if you don't like it, you can just switch noise on off and noise off on. So you have no noise on the scene and it's simple. So it's a very brilliant ability. We have the sparkles here, which are these little shines all over the effect. One by one, just choose them and place them wherever you want. Mostly the designers place them at the corners to have this pretty light reflection. I suggest you to remove all of them, just leave one. And from the sparkle that's left, you can just get some copies and place them and drag them wherever you want with the Alt button. It's much faster than looking for the sparkles one by one. So we do it this way to have this beautiful, bright result and outcome. Even you can remove it if you don't enjoy it here. But I think if you use it and place them in the right place, it looks so beautiful and multiplies the beauty. So we're done here. We have this text at the bottom here, which you can replace it with your ideal text. Any text you want, just double click and type it, just like this. You can even change the font or enlarge it or minimize it. We have the effects folder, which contains two layers, extrusion and style, which the extrusion we switch it off and the 3D effect will be switched off. Here we go, it's totally in your hands. And we have the background folder, which you can change the color and play around with the layers. It's all in your hands. So here we go. Now I'm going to use this style onto my favorite logo and see how the outcome will look. We'll come back to this window and choose our logo, insert it here, place it right in the middle. Here we go. One of the text, just delete it, bring the other text down. What we have to do now is to apply the style of this text into our logo. So just drag this icon into this folder, and here we go. Just delete the other text, we don't need it here. So now just double click on this icon and we're going to adjust the pattern. If you pay attention, the pattern is just placed on one part of the text, and we don't want that. We want to have one wave here and one wave here, both in separate layers. So what do we need to do here is to just make the layers into two different sections. We select the top text, and with Ctrl-Shift and J, or in Mac, Command-Shift and J, we turn the layers into two different sections. Now each one separately you can control the pattern and place it wherever you want. It's so easy now. So we do the same with the bottom text, place it here, okay, and here we go. Close the window and click Save to see the result. As you see, it looks so attractive and beautiful. I'm sure you enjoyed it. Just we need to place the sparkles in their place. We delete them all, leave one here. With the sparkle we copy it, place it everywhere in the corners of the text. And here we go, we're done here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this style, just go to hyperpix.net, get the VIP lifetime membership. It's once for a lifetime and access hundreds of different styles and text effects. And don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Bye for our next video from Mary.